guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I want to present to you my light up carousel box. In this project I used paper from the collection Scrapboys Primavera. I already have applied this collection in my pop-up photofolio, see link in description below. For decoration I used various cutouts, orchids with leaves and of course cute little human birds. Also, especially for decoration, I have made 3D foamiran orchids. I really like them. Look how adorable they are. I decorated the composition on top with half pearls and lace. The box has octagonal shape and so it is spacious. On the bottom of the lid it has a switch. The horses are made out of air hardening clay and I color them in the combination of the collection. For sturdiness I cover them in varnish. At the top of the box I located the lights. This is what came out of my project. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.